Okay, I have to tell you what happened to me last Saturday. A disaster, an absolute social disaster. I got invited to a birthday party, a real German birthday party, and I wanted to be the thoughtful American, right? Make a good impression. So I practiced my German all week. I had my sentence ready. I walked up to the host, I smiled my biggest smile, and I said, Ich habe ein Gift für dich, because I had a gift for her. I had a gift.
Oh, nine. Oh, 999.
Everyone at the party went completely silent. The host took one step back. Her husband stepped in front of her. What did I say? I thought I said I have a gift for you.
You said, Ich habe ein Gift für dich. You told her you have a poison for her.
Poison? I walked into a woman's birthday party and told her I brought poison.
Das Wort, the word, Gift in German means poison, not a gift, not something nice, poison.
I need to sit down.
And this, Max, is what we call a falscher Freund, false friend, a word that looks just like an English word or sounds like one but means something completely different. And they are everywhere in German.
Do you know I also told the host she had a great chef in the kitchen?
You told her she had a great boss?
I meant the cook. I was complimenting the food.
Der Chef, the boss, the person in charge. Der Koch, the male cook, or die Köchin, the female cook. The chef is never the person in the kitchen. The chef is the person in the corner office.
So I told the woman I brought her poison and complimented her boss at her birthday party.
Here is the good news. Once you know the false friends list, these words stop being traps. They become your superpower because native English speakers already recognize these word shapes. They just need the right meaning. Learn them once and you never fall again. Today we cover 5 categories: Lebensmittel, food and restaurants, Schule and Arbeit, school and work, die Gefahrenzone, the danger zone, Technologie, technology, and Persönlichkeit, personality. Aber erst einmal herzlich willkommen zur neuen Episode German False Friends. Ich bin Anna.
And ich bin Max, and I am never going to a German party again.
Los geht's. Let's go. Okay, wir fangen an. We begin with food and restaurants. Max, you are sitting in a restaurant in Germany. The waiter walks over and says, Hier ist die Karte. What did he just give you?
The Karte, a card, like a loyalty card or maybe a business card?
Ha, neither. Die Karte, the card in a restaurant, is the menu, the thing with all the food options listed on it.
The menu is called a card?
Die Speisekarte, the food card, is the full word, but everyone just says die Karte. If you want to see what you can order, you ask for die Karte.
So wait, then what does das Menü mean? Because that looks exactly like menu to me.
And that is the trap. Das Menü is not the card with all the choices. Das Menü is a set meal, a fixed price meal, 2 or 3 courses for one price, like a lunch special.
So if I say, Ich möchte das Menü bitte, I'm ordering the set meal.
Perfect. Exactly. You are committing to the fixed meal, not asking to see all the choices.
So to be clear, die Karte is the menu I read to make a choice, and das Menü is a specific set meal I order.
Genau. You understood that faster than most of my students.
And then der Chef, why does it mean boss and not cook?
The word actually comes from French, where chef means head or chief, the person in charge. German borrowed it for the boss, the person who runs things, never the person cooking.
So in a restaurant, the chef is the manager and the cook is der Koch or die Kochin.
Sehr gut. If you want to compliment the food, you say der Koch ist fantastisch. The cook is fantastic. Or die Kochin ist fantastisch if the cook is a woman.
Not the chef. Got it. My German birthday party vocabulary is already improving.
Gut. Weiter. Good. Let's continue. School and work. Max, you moved to Germany. You want to work out. A neighbor says, Geh ins Gymnasium. Where do you go?
The gym, obviously. I grab my gym bag, I head over, ready to lift some weights.
And you walk into a school. A very confused school.
What?
Das Gymnasium, the gymnasium, in Germany is a high school, specifically the academic high school that prepares students for university. It has absolutely nothing to do with exercise or sports.
So I showed up at a school in workout clothes?
The word comes from ancient Greek. In ancient Greece, the gymnasium was a place of both physical and intellectual training. The Germans kept the intellectual part, the English and Americans kept the physical part.
A classic split. So where do Germans actually work out?
In the Turnhalle, the sports hall, the exercise hall, the word turnen means to do gymnastics or exercise. So die Turnhalle is literally the hall where you turnen.
The Turnhalle for working out, das Gymnasium for high school. They sound similar. That is dangerous.
Very different words, very different places. And here's one more for the workplace. If your German colleague says, Sie sind sehr engagiert, what do you think that means?
Engaged? Like, are we getting married?
No, engagiert means dedicated, committed, hardworking. It is one of the best things a German boss can say about you.
So, Sie sind sehr engagiert is a compliment.
A big one. It means you bring real effort and dedication to your work.
Note to self. If someone says engagiert about me in German, say danke, not run away from an engagement.
Genau. Exactly. Okay, now we enter the Gefahrenzone, the danger zone. These false friends have caused real problems for real people. Max, I think you already met the worst one.
Das Gift, my nemesis.
Das Gift, poison. But let's move through the others. You've probably heard the word bald in German. In English, bald means you have no hair. In German,
Also no hair?
the opposite. Bald in German means soon. Bis bald is one of the most common farewell phrases in the whole language.
So, bis bald is not wishing someone a hairless future.
No, very friendly, very normal. Bis bald is what you say when you leave a coffee with a friend.
Okay, bald means soon. What about demist? I've heard Germans say that when something goes wrong.
Ah, der Mist. In English, you might think of mist, like fog or something atmospheric. In German, der Mist means dung, manure, rubbish.
Dung.
But when Germans say mist as an exclamation, it means something like crap or dang it, a mild, everyday swear. You drop your keys, missed. You missed the train, missed. Like rats or shoot in English.
That's actually really useful. Very good to know.
Very everyday German. And last one in the danger zone, sensibel. What do you think that means?
Sensible, reasonable, practical, level-headed.
No, sensibel in German means sensitive, emotionally sensitive, easily affected by things.
So if I call someone sehr sensibel, I'm calling them emotionally sensitive, not practically reasonable.
Exactly. If you want to call someone sensible in the English meaning, reasonable and practical, the German word is vernünftig, reasonable, sensible, practical.
Vernünftig. That does not look like any English word at all.
Sometimes German is very honest about being a completely different language. Weiter. Let's continue. Technology. This one surprises people because some tech words crossed into German perfectly and some did not.
Okay, laptop,
Der Laptop. Same, exact same word.
smartphone,
Das Smartphone. Same.
email.
Die Mail. Die E-Mail. Same.
Great, so technology is easy in German.
And now you need to call someone on the go. What is the German word for mobile phone?
Das Mobiltelefon?
You could say that, and no German ever does. The real word is das Handy.
The Handy. My phone is called the Handy.
Hast du dein Handy dabei? Do you have your phone with you? Is something every German says every single day. It sounds like the English word handy, meaning convenient or useful, but in German it is a noun. It means mobile phone.
So in English, handy means convenient, and in German, das Handy is your actual phone.
Exactly.
And never use handy as an adjective in German. It confuses everyone.
What about der Browser? Is that the same as in English?
Der Browser exists in German for the software, yes, the internet browser you use to visit websites. But in English, you can say, I am just browsing, when you walk around a shop looking at things. In German, you would never use Browser for that. Instead, you say, Ich schaue mich I am just looking around.
So Browser is only for the software, never the activity of wandering through a store.
Genau, exactly. Last section, words about people and personality. You will hear these constantly in German conversations. First one, you meet someone at a party and a German friend says to you, ist wirklich sympathisch. What do they mean?
He's sympathetic? Like he feels sorry for people? He's very understanding?
No, sympathisch means likable, pleasant, nice to be around. It is one of the nicest things you can say about a person in German. It means you find them warm and enjoyable.
So sympathisch is a compliment and has almost nothing to do with the English word sympathetic.
Correct. If you want to say someone shows sympathy in the English sense, you say mitfühlend, compassionate, showing empathy.
And what about komisch? Because that really looks like comic to me.
Komisch means funny or weird, both at the same time, actually. Das ist komisch can mean that is funny, or it can mean that is strange and odd. Context decides.
So if I say, eres komisch, I might be calling him weird, not funny.
Usually, yes. Ist komisch tends to mean there's something a bit odd about him. If you want to say someone is funny in a good comedian way, you say, ist lustig. He is funny, fun to be around.
Lustig, like lusty?
Absolutely not. Lustig is just funny or fun, very positive and friendly, nothing more.
Okay, and genial, in English, genial means warm and friendly, like a genial host.
In German, genial means brilliant, genius level. Das ist eine geniale Idee. That is a brilliant idea. If you call something or someone genial in German, you're saying this is exceptional, this is inspired.
So genial is actually a much stronger compliment in German than in English.
Much stronger. Use it for ideas that blow you away, for solutions that are just exactly right, not for a host who is pleasant at dinner.
Okay, let me try to recap. Sympathisch means likable. Komisch means weird or funny. Genial means brilliant. And lustig is the word for funny in a good way.
Wunderbar. You just saved yourself from several future misunderstandings. Okay, die Schnellrunde, the speed round. I say a German word, you tell me what an English speaker thinks it means, then I tell you what it actually means. Ready?
I'm going to get all of these wrong, and I'm completely at peace with that.
Perfect attitude. Word 1, das Gymnasium.
A gym. I'm going to work out and lift heavy things.
Wrong. German high school, university preparation school, 0 sports. Word 2, sensibel.
Sensible, reasonable, has good judgment.
Wrong. Sensitive, emotionally sensitive. Word 3, bud.
No hair.
Wrong. Bald means soon. Bis bald is see you soon, one of the most common phrases in German. Word 4, das Gift.
A present, a lovely thing I bring to a birthday party with joy and hope and good intentions.
Absolutely not. Poison. Das Gift means poison. We have covered this and we will apparently cover it for the rest of time.
The scar runs deep.
Last one, and this might be the most surprising of all. Die Fahrt.
Is that actually a real word?
Completely normal, very everyday German word. What do you think it means?
I genuinely cannot say what I think it means.
Die Fahrt, a trip, a journey, a ride. Gute Fahrt means have a good trip. Germans say it to each other constantly, at train stations, in car parks, waving goodbye from the driveway. Gute Fahrt.
Germans say gute Fahrt to each other in public? Just openly?
Every single day, it is warm and completely normal. Gute Fahrt, schöne Reise, have a good trip, have a nice journey.
I love German. It is chaotic and I love it completely.
Fantastisch. Fantastic. You made it through all 5 categories. Quick recap before we go. In restaurants, die Karte is the menu you read, das Menü is the set meal you order, and der Chef is always the boss, never the cook.
Der Koch or die Köchin. I will remember that for the rest of my life.
For school and work, das Gymnasium is the academic high school, die Turnhalle is where you exercise, and engagiert is a big compliment, meaning dedicated and committed.
In the danger zone, das Gift is poison, bald means soon, missed means dang it or crap, and sensibel means emotionally sensitive, not reasonably practical.
For technology, das Handy is your mobile phone, and der Browser stays for the internet only. For personality, sympathisch means likable and warm, komisch means funny or weird, genial means brilliant, and lustig means genuinely funny.
That is a lot of words I thought I understood and completely did not.
And now you do. Jetzt eine Frage an euch. And now a question for you all. Welcher falsche Freund hat euch am meisten überrascht? Which false friend surprised you the most? Write it in the comments. Was it das Gift, das Handy, die Fahrt? Tell us.
Mine is obviously das Gift. I am still apologizing to that woman in my head.
Wenn euch diese Folge geholfen hat, if this episode helped you, please subscribe. We make a new episode every week. German the fun way, in minutes, not years.
And if you found this episode because you almost poisoned someone at a German party, welcome. You are in exactly the right place.
In der nächsten Folge, in the next episode, we're talking about German pronunciation, the 5 sounds that always give away English speakers, the sounds that make native Germans smile and say, ah, English speaker.
My pronunciation is going to be absolutely destroyed next week. I can feel it already.
Auf Wiederhören. Until we hear each other again, bis bald.
Bis bald, which I now know means see you soon and not some kind of hair prediction.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.